Hello friends, welcome to Glorious Nature. Today I am going to share about wandering Jew plant care. So you can see one hanging pot wandering Jew, as well as you can see some bowl I put wandering Jew with water. Okay, so it will survive in soil as well as water. Then this plant we can keep like indoor as well as outdoor. But if we are keeping outdoor, we can keep one good shade area. Otherwise, leaf due to that too much sunlight exposure, that leaf tip become brown and black. So it goes for sunburn. So we can keeping in good shade area. Then regarding light, that plant like if we are keeping indoor, it needed bright indirect light. It helped to keep the color, because you can see that double color in this wandering Jew. So this leaf variegation, this color variegation will remain if the plant will get good, I mean bright indirect sunlight. So we can keeping in good window side. Then regarding soil, well drained soil is needed for this plant. So when I'm reporting this plant, based on my pot, I taking 70% of coco peat, otherwise pet moss, and 20% of multi-purpose compost and 10% of perlite. This is the mixture of soil for reporting. Then regarding water, when the soil is 80% dry, then we can apply the water. So we have to make sure if we are applying today water, that water have to dry within 1 day. Within 24 hours, it needed to dry. So based on that only we can apply water. Then regarding propagation, that stem cutting, you can take any stem from this. Don't need to any mature like that. Any stem we can take from this plant. Then we can putting in water. After root come, we can shift it to soil. Otherwise directly we can keeping in soil. So this is the propagation for wandering Jew. Then temperature 25 to 35 degrees Celsius temperature is good for this plant if you are keeping indoor. Then humidity. This plant like high humidity. So if our room does not have sufficient humidity, we can do misting method, or we can use the humidifier. Otherwise we can keep this plant along with other plant. So it will get humidity. Then regarding problems, if we are applying more water, I mean over watering, it goes for root rot. So then plant will die. So sufficient water we have to apply. When the soil is dry, then we can apply the water. Then next, leaf tip become brown and black. It due to less humidity. So we can boost the humidity by misting method or humidifier. If we are keeping outside, that leaf tip become brown and it become dry due to the too much sunlight exposure. Then next, leaf wilting. It due to the insufficient water. So we can apply adequate amount of water for this plant. Then I will show you my wandering Jew in water. So you can see here many roots are there. Okay, so I just taken that wandering Jew and putting in water. Weekly once I am changing this water. Then you can see that many roots. Here also, but I think root started to come now. Starting only. Then this one also, you can see many roots are there. So we can grow up in water also, because less maintenance. Then this one is the hanging wandering Jew. I think better we can putting in hanging, so we can see the purple color in down, under the leaf. So this is the Wandering Jew plant care. If you like my channel, please subscribe it. Then if you does not subscribe, please subscribe. If you like my video, please like it. Thank you.